We see a view of a PCB here where routing is not performed. It shows connectivity between the components on the PCB. This view is called ratsnest. Ratsnest shows connectivity between the components which is imported from schematic netlist. Ratsnest help us get a view of positions where components can be placed. We can say ratsnest is a view of the PCB layout once the schematic netlist is imported. Ratsnest gives a view of the unrouted nets between the components. Ratsnest got its name from real rat's nest which look cluttered and clumsy. To explain all this in another way, the unrouted connections between the components are referred to as air wires. The combination of all these air wires looks like a rat's nest.